Get ready to transform your Adobe Animate animations into stunning Swift applications, ready to captivate users on iOS devices. First, open your Adobe Animate project and make sure your animation is complete and ready for export. This includes checking all your layers, your symbols, and ensuring your interactivity is finalized within Animate itself. Next, go to File and select Publish Settings. In the Publish Settings window, find the Platform tab and look for the Swift option selected to enable Swift publishing for your project. Now, configure your publishing settings. This involves setting your project frame rate, stage size, and choosing how your assets will be handled. Decide how you want your animations to play, like whether or not they loop, and plan out your keyframe timing. Once you've saved your file, click on Publish. This step will generate the necessary files that will be used in Swift to run your animation. Next, open your Swift project with an Xcode or another suitable coding environment. This will usually involve importing some Swift libraries into your project. This step is necessary if you want to build a fully functional application. With the files ready, you can then import your Animate assets and integrate them into your Swift code. This might involve setting up the views to run and display the assets correctly. And that's it. You've successfully brought your Adobe Animate animation to life within a native Swift application. Now, you can customize your app on the App Store and share with your community.